What's going on, everyone? Professor Collector coming back at you with the second opening of the BaseBox in my channel. So I really enjoyed the first one, guys. Really enjoy working with Robles' channel. He always sends this out right away. We're in contact the entire way, basically, and he's just such a nice guy. So I figured, why not order another one? It's gonna be the same pack list that we opened the first time, but guys, I did really well the first time, so why not keep going? So let's give it a shot. Once again, he gives you this typed up list of what you're looking for in each. So we've got 1987 Donruss with Greg Maddux, Barry Bonds, Bo Jackson, Mark McGwire, which we got last time, and Barry Larkin and Rafi. 1993, looking for the Derek Jeter gold. Looking for Derek Jeter and then maybe the gold. Didn't get that last time. 2010, looking for Giancarlo Stanton, which we did get. Strasburg, Castro, Donaldson, Santana. 2014, we got the Jose Abreu last time. 2018, I don't know if we got anything crazy out of 2018. Got something out of Bowman, then 2019 Heritage High Number, 2019 Topps Update, and 2020 Bowman Mega Box. So, I don't know, guys. This is just a really, really good box. For the price, I'm really enjoying it. I'd highly suggest getting it if you have that itch. So, hit Robles Ramiro up on hit the Facebook for the BaseBox, and he'll send you one out. So, I'm going to get started here with 1987. So, 1987 Donruss. Where are you? I believe it's this one. Let me take a look. It is 1987. Okay, Hanky, Checklist, Cal Daniels, Frank White, Gullickson, Rich Gossage, Scott Nielsen, Carmen Castillo, Jose Cruz, Carl Best, Mark Davis, Will Frazier. So, nothing crazy in that one. We're looking next at 1993. Come on, Derek Jeter. All right. Rick Schofield is our gold. Thought it might have been him. There's a cool Frank Thomas. Bill Wegman, Mike Hartley. So, didn't get the Jeter again, guys. Oh well. What can you do? Okay, next we're going to do 2010 update. Let's see. There it is. 2010 update. All right. '2010 update. We are looking for Mike Stanton, Steven Strasburg, Starlin Castro, Josh Donaldson, Carlos Santana, Roy Halladay. There's a Mitch Moreland rookie card. That's not bad. Jeff Suppan, Jeffrey Marquez. Flip it. Micah Owings, Carlos Pena. There's a insert. Ty Cobb. It's pretty cool. Put that one up there. Just an insert, but nonetheless, pretty cool. Oh, so none of the rookies in that one. I think I got all the rookies last time. That's what's happening. Okay, 2014 Topps Chrome. It is. I saw it just. Oh, here you go. A lot of packs. 2014 Topps Chrome. Last time we got Jose Abreu. Looking for Xander Bogaerts, George Springer, Tanaka, Castellanos, and Jose Ramirez. If I can get into it. Dyer, Ryan Zimmerman, Springer, Christian Betancourt. So, nothing too crazy in there. Oh, I mean, this is a George Springer rookie card. So, I don't know. I was going to say, like, what year was his rookie? So, this is a rookie card for George Springer. So, not bad. Did get a name. Depending on how you feel about him. Sorry. LSU Maniac, but we all know what's going on right now. That's all I'll say about it. 2018 Series 1 is next. Clear off the space here. 2018 Series 1. And that is right here. Okay, 2018 Series 1. We're looking for Rafi Devers, Walker Buehler, Robles, Jack Flaherty, Ozzie Albies, Rhys Hoskins, Verdugo, and Andahar. All right. James Paxton, Miguel Cabrera, Jake Odorizzi. Well, this is a good one. I guess Max Fried rookie card. I think Max Fried is still pitching, right? There's a Max Scherzer insert. Matt Joyce. Orioles. Chris Archer. James McCann. And a Kevin Kiermaier. Okay. Nothing too crazy just yet. What can you do? 2018 Bowman. That's this one. 2018 Bowman. In 2018 Bowman, we're looking for Bowman first of Luis Robert, Yordan Alvarez, Hunter Green, Walker Buehler. Shohei, Acuna, Soto, Torres. Wow, there's a lot in here. So, let's hit one. There's a nice Jack Flaherty. Put Jack Flaherty back up here. Sandy Alcantara. Scope. George Springer. Taylor Ward Chrome. Sixto Sanchez. Wander Javier. Michael Baez. Nick Solak on the Yankees. And a Mike Soroka. So not bad. Not a bad pack there. Okay, that was 2018 Bowman. Now we're going to do 2019 Heritage Minors. I like Heritage Minors. And here we're looking for Wander Franco, Luis Robert, Joey Bart, Yordan Alvarez, Bo Bichette, Julio Rodriguez, Marco Luciano, Tim Tebow. See what we can get. Let's see. There's a nice Joe Adell. Vidal Brujan. Jackson Coer. Dahlbeck. Grip. There's a Drew Waters. Spencer Howard. And a Brock Dietrich. So not bad for taking Joe Adell. Okay. 2019 Heritage High number. Looking for Fernando, Vladdy, Pete Alonso, Eloy Jimenez, Keston Hiura, Austin Riley, Michael Chavis, Chris Paddock, Carter Keybone, and Nick Senzel. Here we go. Huh. Joe Kelly. Great pull there. And Dwight Smith. So, nothing crazy, but hey, look, Joe Kelly. What a hero. Nobody wants to think about how he was cheating on the Red Sox, but that's neither here nor there, I guess. Okay, we're going to do 2019 update and then finish it off with 2020 Bowman. In 2019 update, we're looking for Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Keston Hiura, Nick Senzel, Chris Paddock, Luis Arias, Oscar Mercado, Carter Keybone, and a whole bunch of stuff. Here we go. And right off the bat, we've got a Keston Hiura rookie card. Oh, no, this is the Joe Kelly box. Mitch Keller, not a bad one. Junior Guerra, Tommy Edman, not a bad one at all. Those guys. Jake Bowers, rookie, nice. Renato Nunez. There's a Willie Stargell insert. Let's see. Wilmer Flores. Joe. Charlie Morton. Blake Parker. And Gio Urshela. I mean, not bad. We got some good rookies in that one. Keston here, Mitch Keller. All right, guys, last pack. It's 2020 Bowman Mega Box. Obviously looking for the big names. This would have been this year. Ronnie Mauricio. Seth Brown. Oh, this is numbered. 177 to 250. And then right after that, we've got another one. Look at that. Check that out, guys. Gerard Encarnacion, numbered to 99. Cool. Bowman first of Gus Varland and a Robert Poisson. Well, guys, that really was a good pack right there. That's kind of what you like to see to end it out. So, tell me what you guys thought. I think this was a really fun product, like always. You know, supporting a really nice guy. Also, for the price, I don't think you can really beat it. You know, for the selection that you get. Let me know what you guys thought. How did I do? And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.